Mama Kochakrin Namaha. Okay, so what I call fighting against the exploitation of women. Why Chandrayaan got misplaced, okay, or it was destroyed, or it disconnected because of Jahangir Modi corruption. Okay, so what I call this is Ernakulam. So I was at Ernakulam when 5 villages were not given to Pandavas. Okay, the Kurukshetra Yuddha took place. Injustice. Now Kuru Andhra Kshetra Yuddha has started. Modi is not revealing that he became Prime Minister because of hard work, my hard work, and not because of Mohan Bhagwat. Okay, so not to save the women of Africa. Okay, ಮಧ್ಯ ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ഒരു രാജ്യമായ ഡെമോക്രാറ്റിക് റിപ്പബ്ലിക് ഓഫ് കോങ്കോയിൽ 15 വർഷത്തിനിടയ്ക്കു 3 ലക്ഷം പെൺമക്കളും അമ്മമാരും ബാലല സംഘം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുകയും 12 ലക്ഷം ആളുകൾ കൊല്ലപ്പെടുകയും ചെയ്തു. സെൽഫോണും ഇലക്ട്രോണിക് ഉപകരണങ്ങളും നിർമ്മിക്കുന്നതിനു ചെറിയ പക്ഷികളും കുരുവികളും വംശനാശനം നേരിടുകയാണ്. This is a gist of translation of what do you call the 21st October 2012 when I boarded my train regarding bauxite mining mafia to get my swords manufactured at Punjab, Amritsar. I don't know at the time what should be the length of my sword. Now it should be 4 మూర్లు. తెల్ల చీర కట్టుకో, మల్లెపూర పెట్టుకో, తెల్లారు నా పేరు వర్ణించుకో. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ నైట్. సో 4 మూర్ల కత్తి ఖడ్గం కావాలి. ఏ మామగారు ఇస్తారో, ఏ పార్టీ తయారవుతుంది. 5 ఊర్లు ఇవ్వలేదు. ఎక్కడ? కేరళలో బై ఎలక్షన్స్ టైంలో. సో అన్ని 12 కిలోమీటర్స్ పాదయాత్ర చేశాను. Mama Kochakrin Namaha. I conducted press meet at that time. Okay, so this is what they call translation of women's suffering in Africa to make your motherboards of all electronic devices, cell phones, etc. Okay, including satellites, etc. So what do you call 3 lakh women were raped and 50 lakh humans were bulleted and murdered. Okay, dragged out of their homes and what do you call raped brutally before villages, and they were murdered. Okay, that was 21st October 2012. Our Andhra Jyoti. Okay, Kerala was part of Andhra, Maharashtra was part of Andhra, Gujarat, Rajasthan, UP, Burma, all these were part of our Andhra empire once upon a time. Okay, 1942 or 43 they will be telling this, what do you call, Ugadi comes. Okay, in March approximately, March, April. So what do you call the Islamic fellows who came Ghazni Dandayatra, 17 people got burnt. The Turkamunda Desham, Turkey, Jahangir, Rahul Gandhi. Okay, it started death toll with earthquake. My wife, default wife, Mother Earth, my wife of Mahavishnu, put earthquake. I put it at Delhi Kojak Kejiwal. It goes to the roots and strikes at Turkey. 17 starts death toll and first day report, and it goes and stops at 116 గృహప్రవేశం, చదివింపులు, పెద్ద పిల్ల చదివింపులు, పెళ్లి చదివింపులు, ఎక్సెట్రా. ఓకే, మనీ గిఫ్టింగ్ డ్యూరింగ్ మై చైల్డ్హుడ్. So how many will pay? Now it is quartz mining mafia. Watch my YouTube channel Chinta Swami Prakash Rao. A continuous fight against ignorant idiots of Islamic Christian community who are destroying earth in the name of development and greedy and building their bank balances. We have burnt already the Islamic Christian Koja currencies. Okay, and we want you to exit our Amma Kotagra. Okay. Oh, Mama Kochakrin Namaha. Watch my Kannada version of the Mysore state was my today's research revealed Mysore state of Islamic Wadiyars Shivaji's what do you call heirs in Mysore state. They renamed in around 1972, 56 to 74, 73. It got renamed to Karnataka. And what do you call that's having some Dutch or Portuguese background. Okay. And what do you call Tamil Nadu, which was earlier renamed. Okay, 19. My parents' marriage 69 approximately. It got came to Tamil Nadu. It was Madras state under Tipu Sultan, suffering under the. They changed upside down Telugu script. Okay, upside down. They joined with Hindi, and what do you call? Harivarasanam Vishwamohanam Bandipot Donga. It says what do you call Sabarimala book. Okay, it says what do you call a Bandipot Donga Udayan was there. Okay, this is the Telugu version I purchased when I 2018 I came to Kerala for some n minus 1th time or nth time or n plus 1th time. Okay, so what do you call when approximately Dutch these all came, Portuguese occupied Andhra in the name of business. Okay, they didn't do business but what do you call smuggling of things. They enjoyed our women and still enjoying. They are smuggling the stones, minerals to foreign countries, making cars, making people addict. కారులో షికారు వెళ్ళే పాల బుగ్గల పసిబీదల. The woman is put as a bait of selling, mining mafia, addict. Okay, devices. That's what Sri Krishna Avatar says in Bhagavad Gita. Nothing is more influential than me. No device or object is influential than me. Om Amakotagri Namaha. 5121 Krishnavardhanti Kurukshetra Yuddham. Ujjaini Maharaj 2077, 2020. After brutal, now it is 21. Brutal murder, killing, crucifixion of Jesus Christ. Okay, he has mastered only up to Manipura Chakra. Rottela Pandaga 1942. Okay, this is Salivahana Sekam, our Andhra Empire. Okay. Then this is Muhammad born era. Now it is around 1442. I saw him in Islamic calendar in our Vishakhapatnam. And this is 1200 years of occupation by Kurukshetra Yuddha Varmas, Kirti Varma. Okay, the Kauravas are occupied entire Bharat's biggest piece called India from north to south to west to east. They are spanning the Varmas. Okay. And what do you call Guru Nanak era from Muslim occupation, where the people fought and the Guru was called as Guru Nanak, and the Sikhism was born approximately 489 years. Then our Sri Potuluri Veerabrahmendra Swami, okay, who baffled the Nizam kings, Nawabs, Karnool Nawabs. Now I am baffling Modi, but still he is not accepting defeat, and Kalki Avatar is 49 years old now. Okay. Shunyam Ekam. Okay, Sri Krishna Devaraya. It was what do you call a Gaddar of Andhra Empire. We call Ashtadiggajalu under Sri Krishna Devaraya, the Pingali Vamsham, Kavi, poet. Their what do you call successor joined hand with Islamic incompletely evolved Gandhi, who called okay. What they called his Sevagram ashram near Nagpur, Warda. Okay, he called it as Nai Talim instead of Nai Vidya Vyavastha. So it clearly proves beyond doubt why Jahangir, Gandhi, what do you call, was bulleted Mohan Das. And there is a Islamic sect, my recent research tells me, in Afghanistan there is a subsect of Islamic followers called as Dasas. So this Bal Mohan Das, Damodar Das, what do you call Modi Narendra, and what do you call Mongolian Genghis Khan. These are all hybrids, polybrids, tribrids, bybrids. okay, of Sanatana Dharma. Okay, they call this, so it should be called as Islam dot, what do you call, first looters were Islamic fellows, then Europeans came. So Islam dot Christianity dot Hindus, or Islam dot Hindus. Okay, what do you call, Sanatana Dharma is well top on Islam. Okay, so he says nobody is on top of your solar system. We are there. I am Kalki Avatar. Okay, sending people into next life. Your young chap will come on 26th January, and he gets defeated. He runs away. Young chap with spectacles. Okay, so Om Amma Kota Green Namaha. Awake from the mining mafia addictions and live longer. Follow the orders of Kalki Avatar. Join Kalki Nari Sainyam. Kalki Sainyam. Kalki Kisan Kalarified Khadga Sainyam. Now PhD stands for Pika Hata Destroy. Those who don't listen, just chop the heads. Our Kanakaraju, Adivaram Maharaju, Samantaraju, who brought what they call the fruit, okay, weapon fruit from what they call Banda Birakaya. Okay, that's how it should be called. Banda Srinivas was dead. Loving Prasula in my childhood school days. Okay, so Atah Yoga Anushasanam. You bloody Islamic scoundrels don't even follow the first sutra of Patanjali BKS Iyengar Yoga. Slayers became Nayars, Nayars to Ayers. And what do you call? So, Om Amma Kotagri Namaha. Join Kalkism. Okay, Kalki Sainyam. We want freedom from Islamic bloody Sahib's constitution. Your people are dying. 25-year-old royal prince of Islam from Vijayawada died. So you should be ashamed of your religion. It is an unevolved religion. Your Christianity is unevolved because Jesus Christ fought against the rich people. He came to Bharat. He learnt yoga, and only he mastered up to Manipuraka Chakra. Beyond that, he could not reach Anahata Chakra. And by the time he reached Anahata Chakra, he did not reach, and he was brutally murdered. Nobody cooperated with one man fighting the bloody bastard rich people. Now people are dying, parents are killing. Why? Because I applied so many constraints are there, okay, which can be slowly, you don't understand what is Kurma Avatar, okay. I am the breed of Kurma Avatar, okay. So the transforming into more powerful Kalki Avatar. Oh, Amma Kocha Green Naramaha, Kurma Gotra, Kalki.